A table is shaped like a regular hexagon. The expression 6y degrees and 7y minus 20 degrees represent the measures of two of the angles of the hexagon table. Find the measure of the angle of the table. We have given here regular hexagon. It means that the sides are congruent and all angles in the interior of the hexagon are congruent. It means that our angles, which we have given by expressions 6y degrees and 7y minus 20 degrees, are equal. So we can write equation, because we have one unknown y. It means that we need one equation to find this unknown. So we have that 6y is equal 7y minus 20. Why? Because we have regular hexagon, and in the regular hexagon the angles are the same. So now we have to solve this equation. I will move 7y to the left side, so we have 6y minus 7y is equal negative 20. 6y minus 7y is negative y is equal negative 20. Now I will divide both sides by negative 1. So negative and negative give me positive. And we have that y is equal 20. So now, when we have unknown y, we can calculate the measure of angle of a table. We can choose expression 6y degrees or 7y minus 20 degrees. It doesn't matter, because whatever you choose, you have to get the same answer. So let's choose 6y degrees. We will have 6y degrees is equal, I will substitute y by 20, so we have 6 times 20 degrees. So this is equal 120 degrees. And if you choose the second expression, you will have 7 times 20 is 140 minus 20 is 120 degrees. So whatever you choose, you have the same answer. So we found the measure of angle of the table. It is 120 degrees. We have formula that the measure of angles of regular polygon is 180 degrees times n minus 2, where n is number of sides. In this example, we have regular hexagon, so we have 6 sides. So n is equal 6. So now we can substitute n by 6, and we have 180 degrees times 6 minus 2. So this is equal 180 degrees times 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is equal 720 degrees. This is measure of angles, interior angles for regular hexagon. We need in this example to find measure of angle, only one angle. So now we have to divide 720 by 6. When you divide 720 by 6, you have exactly 120 degrees. So we got correct answer. This is my solution.